What's everybody been here, guys? I wasn't even recording. Wasn't even recording. Alright, welcome back to my vlogging channel. Welcome back to my vlogging channel. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing okay. I'm doing fine. Guys, look at my baby today.
Yep.
I'm putting this as a title. The best day of my life.
I'm beside your life.
Yeah, because you're here.
Yeah. And we're alone.
Yeah.
Get automatic odor neutralization with Airwick Freshmatic. Just load, click, and set to forget odors for up to 60 days.
What a kiss.
Now try Pure
You're like
Freshmatic
kids.
free.
Alright, guys. Baby, let's do a little test. Ready?
Okay.
How much do you love me?
A lot.
Guys, when a girl... What are you doing? Vicky's trying to hump you.
Oh, Sam.
Oh, battle dog. The battle dog. Sam, the battle dog.
Sam says about a dog.
What are you doing?
Sit.
What are you doing? We're a little busy. Can you, like, leave? Go away. Go away. Go away for a second.
And so listening. Sam, sit. Sit.
Go sit. Don't be like Jews. Don't be like Jews stealing my girlfriend. Oh. Don't be like Jews and steal my girlfriend, buddy.
Sit.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Go
Okay,
ahead.
listening.
Go. Go away. Go away. I'm gonna tell you. Go away.
Nope, she's staying. Oh well.
Are you that bored?
So,
Go play with Juice. Go play with Juice. All right. You can stay.
yeah.
You can stay. I'm gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Processing and handling. And we'll send you a Flipbox surprise free with your paid order. You can log on to flipandplay.com. Each sold separately. Must be 18 or older.
Guys.
Flip and Play.
All right. Here's the next question. Hug me how much you love me. She's showing me how much she loves me. Thank you. That's how much you love me? Come on. Let's get wild. Wild and free, girl.
Oh, baby.
Alright, guys, so that's that, guys. My vlogging here with a little bit, we got a little bit more kissing,
Yeah.
but it's all good, guys. Just YouTube.
Yes, it's you too. I love kissing him.
Oh, guys.
He turned me on. Oh, yes.
Alright, guys. Best day of my life, guys. Peace out.
Peace.
See you guys tomorrow for vlog number 3. Peace out.